Sushmita Dev, your response to this, it had taken, as we said, several rounds of meetings to finally get the doctors to call off the strike. But now, once again, they claim not enough is being done. And as of this morning, have gone back on at C's work.
You see, the Chief Secretary is on record saying that things are in process. I understand that, the doctors want the pace to be better and faster and things to happen very quickly. But you see, when you're building on infrastructure, when you allot 100 crore rupees, government has systems. They have to do a tender. They have to buy the CCTV cameras. So what is taking long is procedural. It's not lack of conviction. Here we have a chief minister who did her best to break the impasse between the doctors and the government. I have not known a chief minister to remove officers at such high levels to win the confidence of the doctors. And like the chief secretary said, I join him in appealing to the doctors that, yes, you must fight for justice for Abhaya. There's no doubt about it that the CBI investigation is taking much, much longer than anyone expected. But I hope that we can deal with it with some patience. As you know, there was a hearing in the Supreme Court, and the state government in Supreme Court gave a status report of what is happening and what is yet to be done, and took time till 15th of October to complete most of the work. And in the doctor's lawyer actually made a statement in court saying that they are going to get back to work, that they were already doing emergency services, to which the Supreme Court said, not the state government, that they had to go back to full-fledged work with OPD services, not because there's a point to be proved by either party, but it's just in greater public interest so that the patients don't suffer. Add to that the fact that the entire administration at this point of time in Bengal is fighting a man-made flood situation. 70% of Bengal is flooded. So I totally understand how doctors feel. But like the Chief Secretary of Bengal said, that give us time, it will all be done. It's not lack of conviction. There are delays for reasons beyond our control.